nung ano,
Hi
na all of
guys.
listeners. Hindi makikita yung isa.
Hi guys. So this is Mar. Okay. I've got a video that will make you like, wow. So my my mom bought it in Manila. It is a wallet. It's only 99 pesos. And wait. Woo, 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 woo. So here's another one. And I hope you check out my channels. If you don't, I always broadcast about things, and I want to tell something. Do you know PewDiePie? Because nothing. I don't want to talk about it. Just if you're in Manila, you can buy this. It's only at the National Bookstore. You can buy this. It's only 99 pesos. I don't know why it's so mahal, but I think it's worth it. And guys, you can see our new apartment. I'm gonna show you. See that? that? That's our bed. What? I know. Isang video na lang. Sorry about that, guys. It was just my sister. But today, tomorrow I'm not gonna be broadcasting because we're going to school. But another mention here. Oh, they're so cute and fuzzy. So I'm just gonna do what Asian Canadian does. Wait, I don't know. Do something. And can you leave a like in the description and check out and leave a comment, please. And please subscribe to my channel. Be a bro. And you're telling me to. Why am I like a kid and has money? Huh? I don't know. But aren't they cute? Aren't they cute? Yep, they're cute. And this is what I like the most. What I like is this. Chicka chicka chicka. And I'm gonna tell you games for Christmas. Or no, for Halloween. If it gets Halloween. Or just scary games. Scary games. Ooh. The first game. Five Five Nights at Five Nights at Freddy's 2. It's very scary. Ooh. It makes you pee and don't wanna look at Foxy. Ooh. But number 2 is Five Nights at Freddy's 1. Ugh. It's mostly like the same, but they added new features, so it's kind of like the same. Chica, but right, I don't know the bunny one. Freddy, the Golden Freddy, and Fox. No, number 3 is Jeff the Killer. Oh, okay, Jeff the Killer is like you're gonna find something. It's mostly like an scary game, but you need to find stuff or search for them. Ugh. But number 4 is Outlast. So you're like a news reporter who's going to a creepy house and you're like videoing all of this, finding stuff. Of you're not a fighter. You're just here to just video everything, and you need to complete it. So that's it. And the last is not real scary. It's Minecraft. Woo! You can download it in Anjocado. Just search ANJOCAIDO. That's Minecraft Anjocado launcher. What? Opo, wait lang, malapit na. Please. Sorry about that again. But Minecraft Anjocado launcher download. And sorry, please don't back out when I'm like doing this and putting it in my FaceTime. Sorry, please don't. Just subscribe, please, if you like this video. Can we go for like 100 likes or even 20? Just 20 likes. That would be enough. Or 10 or even 3 or 4. Please, just leave a like. Not 1 or 2. Please. Like for this. Like them. No, no, no. So, goodbye. So, bye bye, guys. Boosh. 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 Bye.